If you want to change keyboard language on CMF Phone to Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in the settings we need to scroll down in order to find system. Next in system we want to go to keyboard, go to on-screen keyboard, select Gboard, and finally over here now we can go to languages. Then you can press add keyboard in order to search for your new language that you wish to set up on your phone. So let's say I'm gonna choose German. Let's just find it. Oh, I think it should be on D. There we go. And in some cases you can also select the region of yours. So in my case I'm just gonna select Germany. Besides that, we can select the keyboard layout. You can of course select multiple layouts. You can also enable and disable multilingual typing. And then we can press down over here in the bottom right corner. And there we go, we have added the new selected keyboard language. You can also press on this pen icon over here in the top right corner in order to change the order of added languages. You can also select the language that you don't want to use anymore. If you don't want to have the old language on your keyboard, then you can select it over here by tapping on this box, and then we can press this trash icon in the top right corner. And after that, you will remove selected languages. However, on the other hand, if you wish to have more than one language, then of course you can still use it. Over here on the spacebar, we can see the current language selected. And as you can see over here, we have this highlight of this globe icon that we can use in order to switch between different languages. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.